Welcome to Securafy, where cybersecurity is not just a topic, but a mission. Join us on a journey of digital protection and empowerment, tailored for small and medium businesses like yours. Cybersecurity is vital for SMBs in today's digital world. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the knowledge and tools to protect your business from cyber threats. Subscribe to stay informed and ahead of the curve. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of information, learn about phishing, ransomware, and data protection, stay updated on industry trends and best practices. For example, we recently discussed the importance of multi-factor authentication. Securafy is a managed security service provider serving SMBs in Ohio. Our focus is on cybersecurity and compliance, providing services like managed IT, network security, and data backup and recovery. Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.